If you're new to investing and want to buy your first ETF in Wealthsimple, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find an ETF, place an order, and become an ETF owner in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your investing account. This could be a TFSA, FHSA, RRSP, or a personal investing account, depending on where you want to hold your ETF. After opening your account, tap the search icon and type the name or ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. For example, you might search for ETFs like XEQT, VFV, or VEQT. When the ETF appears in the search results, tap on it to open its information page. Here you'll see details such as the current price, performance history, and a brief description of the fund. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct ETF before moving forward. Next, look for the trade button near the bottom of the screen and tap on it. A menu will appear with a few options. Tap Buy. You'll then be taken to the order screen, where you can enter either the dollar amount you want to invest or the number of shares you want to purchase. One helpful feature of Wealthsimple is fractional investing on supported ETFs. This means you may be able to invest a specific dollar amount even if you can't afford a full share. After entering your investment amount, tap Continue or Review, depending on your version of the app. Carefully check the order details. Make sure you're buying the correct ETF and investing the amount you intended. A common mistake beginners make is accidentally purchasing the wrong ETF because many ticker symbols look similar. Always double-check before confirming. If everything looks correct, tap Submit Order. Your order will now be sent to the market. If you used a market order during market hours, your purchase may be completed very quickly. If the market is closed, the order will usually be processed when the market opens again. One additional tip: before buying any ETF, take a few minutes to understand what it holds. And that's how to buy an ETF in Wealthsimple. If this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple investing tutorials and step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.